You go to work every morning or you go to school every day. But have you ever calculated your average driving speed? My name is Paul Psolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and IvyMasters.com. Today we're going to look at Test 5, Section 4, number 37. And before we read number 37, you want to make sure you check out the table. It's Miss Simon's workday morning drive, segment of the drive from home to the freeway entrance, etc., etc., distance in miles, 0.6, etc., etc., average driving speed with no traffic delay in miles per hour, 25, etc., etc. Miss Simon drives her car from her home to her workplace every workday morning. The table above shows the distance in miles of her average driving speed in miles per hour when there's no traffic delay for each segment of her drive. Cool. One morning, Miss Simon drove directly from her home to her workplace in 24 minutes. What was her average speed in miles per hour during her drive that morning? So, how do we figure average speed? It's total distance over total time. Okay. So what's our total distance? Well, you guys have your calculators. You could just add this down. It would wind up being 17.4. And what's the total time? Now our total time is 24 minutes. Notice what it's asking. It's asking for her average speed in miles per hour. So what we've got to do is we've got to convert minutes to hours. How do you convert minutes to hours? Well, you might know that you got to do something with the 60. And sometimes students are confused. Well, hours are bigger, so I multiply by 60. But if you multiplied by 60, it would not make sense that it's 1400 hours equals 24 minutes. It would be less than an hour. So then you know you've got to divide by 60. And if we do 24 divided by 60, we get our 0.4. So it's going to be 17.4 over 0.4. And once again, this is your with calc math section. So if my high-tech calculator, 17.4 divide 0.4, you wind up with 43.5, which is your correct answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble with these distance, rate, time type questions. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.